Alright, so today we are working on this carburetor. Well, not this carburetor, this carburetor. Let's go ahead and take it apart. I want to put the 90 jet in it with a different pilot jet. I think that's what it's called. Don't quote me, don't quote me, don't quote me. So let's go ahead and pull this one off and get ready to start fixing it. I don't know. It is worth mentioning, I actually found a bolt for the gas tank. I don't know if you can see it, I don't know if it's on frame. I found the bolt for the gas tank over here, so no more rattling, hopefully. Which, that is what you heard in the last video. Well, here's the differences in the pilots. So here's the one that was in there, and here's the one that I think used to be in there. Yeah, this one. Damn it, why is there more fuel in it? The weird thing is I don't know which way it's supposed to go in there. It's supposed to pop through. Okay, there we go. That's the right way. That's the right way. I can see it poking through now. Now I'm confident. I think I may have just had that other one in backwards. We can just keep that a secret between us. All right, now I'm gonna reinstall the 90 jet because again, I'm putting this back to the way it was. I have figured out it's probably best to have this bolt facing the front, so where the intake is, or no, the back, where the throttle is, just so that way the float can go all the way to the bottom. Alright, so I'm actually going to try to pull this spark plug. I forgot all about that. I want to put the one that it came with. I know, I should have done that in the first place. But it has the same markings on it, so I figured it was the exact same, but let me try to fix that as well. Ow. This is the stock one. It says CHDY F7TC. And the new one we're putting on, it says, oh, it just says F7TC. Is there a difference? I did check the gap, and it is the exact same. That looks about the same to me, so maybe it's different. I'm gonna go ahead and install this one anyways, so. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to start it. Hopefully no more rattle with the gas tank, and hopefully it starts to run a little bit better. I will have to do some tuning, so you're about to see that. Holy shit, this thing fucking rips now. Let me get a camera set up so I can just show you guys a POV and some footage of this thing. Jesus, dude. So when I installed the original pilot screw, pilot jet, I don't know what they're called, I put it in upside down to where it wasn't poking through. So it was just kind of spraying fuel not in the right places, essentially. Again, I really don't know what I'm talking about. But, nonetheless, it's working now. So I'm realizing this brake isn't doing a whole lot. Let me go ahead and try to tighten it up. If you're thinking that this brake lever looks a little weird, doesn't look like any other factory one you've seen, it's off of a Honda. It is very rigged, but if it works, then it works, you know? So I had to put a hoodie on because it's getting kind of cold outside. My friend did offer to come and do some filming for me. Yeah, man, it's doing pretty good.
Is your gas tank mounted properly again?
Yes, I actually found the bolt for it.
He is gone.
I know, it's like way better than it was.
Yep, a bolt fly
Oh,
off.
it did! It flew off the headset bolt. Where did it go? I thought I saw something fly off. Maybe I should actually fix that.
There it is.
Alright, let me go grab. What size do you think that is?
We're with Devin Fix It.
Devin Fix It. Nah, it's called Devin G Builds.
Devin G Builds?
I'm not creative, so I didn't know what to do. I didn't tighten it down last time, I just kind of risked it, but now that we're actually getting speed, you think that's probably tight enough?
Probably.
Let me get one more run. Let me put my helmet on, I kind of forgot about that. I'm trying to tuck my hair up in there, hold on. Alright, I'm gonna open up my speed bench. I'm gonna get a top speed.
When are you turboing this thing, Devin? Like a little turbo.
I just got it running, so y'all need to wait a minute.
The little mini bike in all of its glory. You got a whole setup on this bitch, damn.
There we go, alright.
Damn, it died. Damn, it died again.
It still needs some final tuning. I'm gonna try to get the exhaust to pop. I want it to pop ideally right next to the camera. I think the fastest that I saw was 31.
Is there like a history of your speed?
There is a history of my speed, but I don't think I've reset it. Let me go get a screwdriver.
Are you adjusting the carburetor?
Yep. I saw 4, but I don't know how accurate that was. 41.2 miles an hour.
Oh, damn.
I was trying to like do a drift, but that didn't really work.
How's your brake lever holding up?
It's the best brake lever I've ever had on this thing. What you did was a blessing for me. Otherwise, I wouldn't have had a brake.
Man, we fucking struggled to get that bitch on there, I'm not gonna lie.
See, me and him are rebuilding like a whole bicycle and we're like changing everything on it.
Oh, that's cool, man.
That's cool.
What kind of bike is it? Is it like just a regular mountain bike or is it BMX?
Yeah, it's just a mountain bike.
Mountain bike, gotcha.
But we're taking tire. It got destroyed somehow.
I used to fuck with bikes when I was younger. I used to take the brakes off of them to make them BMX bikes because I didn't have an actual BMX bike.
I have a whole channel 6 years ago.
I need
so I can't take my bike out.
I want to start getting into BMX. BMX is cool, but I need to get a bike
There's no
first.
skate park to bring it to anymore.
They took the fucking skate park down. You know what? I'm at PSA. Fuck you, Salem. Fuck you, Salem. I hate you, Salem. This place sucks. That's all I had to say.
Salem residents are standing up for their skate park. The old spot was demolished as part of renovations at the Moyer Sports Complex, but plans to rebuild it were rerouted to accommodate pickleball courts. Now, nearly 2,500 people have signed a petition to save their skate park. As you can see here, without a park to go to, skaters took to City Hall tonight ahead of the City Council meeting.
But the mini bike works, so... Oh, I just touched the fucking exhaust! Alright, we'll have to fix that in another episode, but for now, the mini bike runs. And you can ride it home if you want, I'll walk back. Holy shit, that thing is way too loud. Holy fuck! I did not realize it sounded like that. Holy shit, that thing is way too loud. Alright you guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. Super happy to say that the mini bike is running properly now, or as close to properly as it is. I still need to do some final tuning to it. I'll most likely do most of that off camera. If anything crazy happens, I will update you. But now it's time to build a super cool custom mini bike. I don't want to reveal too much, but just know the plans that I have planned are super exciting. So stay tuned for the next episode. One more thing before I go. These videos do take a lot to produce, so if you find yourself coming back for more content, it would help me out a lot if you hit that subscribe button. And if you don't feel like subscribing, then all that I ask is that you share this video with a friend. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.
I am wasting all my time. I'm messing up my mind. I only need someone. There's something in my eyes.